everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Splashlings, and this is series 1, part 8. As you can see, this is the checklist that you get with Splashlings from TPF Toys. And the mermaids that I'm doing, the one's got a blue tail and pink top, and the other one's got a green tail, purple top, and you get these beautiful sea creatures and jewels and gems and pearls, and you get this beautiful pink shell, you get this beautiful yellow shell, and also this beautiful sea green shell. As you can see, this is Splashlings Series 1, and this is video part 8 of TPF Toys Splashlings. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box down below. Thank you. Bye.